Hello everyone, welcome to Coder Buddy YouTube channel. In the series in which we are solving the LeetCode's easy problems with the help of Java language. So let's switch to our fourth problem, longest common prefix. So in this basically we have to find the longest common prefix and return it in the form of string. Okay, so basically if you start like we have to check like the way to find, like we have to just search on the first. If f is common in all, we can take one string like empty string, which will be like lcp. And if f is common in all, we can add f. Then we can check what is the second character is l. If l is common in all, we can add it in that. If we have to move to next character, it is o. We have to check in all the strings. If it is matching, then we can add it in the lcp, like that. So in the second case we can check like nothing is common, so we have to return just lcp as it is. The two cases will be like we have two boundary conditions we have to manage, like the if previous first string is ending before the second string, means if first string have less characters than other strings, then we have to add a condition there like if condition, and we have to manage this before. And while traveling also, if second string or other than more than second strings, if having less characters than first string, then that also we have to manage with the if condition. Okay, so let's move to the code. We will get idea from that only. Okay, so first I'll be taking one empty string to add our common prefixes into it. We can take one variable to jump from indexes. We can take while, then we have to check our first letter is having that index character, or it do it have a less length than that. If it is less than or equal to I, its length is less than equal to I, then return as it is what we got in lcp. Other, if not, if it is having more length, then just take the next character in C by taking char at I. Now iterate in the loop. We'll take j is less than array's length and j++. Now check if the second condition which we discussed, like if strs, that current word is having more characters than ith index. If not, return lcp as it is what we collected. If it is having more characters, then we can return. Then check that first letters ith index and the word which we are making whose ith index characters are same. If it is matching, just say continue, so it will iterate the loop again and check with next. If it is not matching, then just return what we got in lcp as it is. If all the words having matching character at that indexes, then add that character in our lcp. We'll take str as 0 and char at I. Okay, and each time we need to increase our I. Okay, so basically what we did, we take one empty string, and we took one ith index which will be managing for the index, and we took one unending while loop. Then we checked that our first word having character at that ith index. Then if it is not having, then we just returned it. If it is having, then we took that character in the C, and then we matched that C in the all over arrays ith index. Then if it is matching, then we just added that character in the previous LCP, and we just moved to the next index by making I++. Let's check it. Okay, it is having one compiler error. Okay, we just misspelled the continue. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, it's accepted. Submit it and try. Yes, it's working fine. Thank you.